Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Finder and navigating to the Applications folder. This is the only place you'll reliably get the official app icons. Once there, scan for the app you want on the dock. Make sure the dock is visible. If it's hidden, open System Settings Dock and Menu Bar and disable Auto Hide so you can place icons exactly where you want them. Now position the Finder window so you can drag the app smoothly toward the dock divider. Click and hold the application icon and drag it down to the dock. Aim to drop left of the small divider line for apps and on the right side only for folders or minimized windows. Once the icon is in position, release to pin it permanently. If the app is running, you can also right-click its dock icon, choose Options, and select Keep in Dock to ensure it stays. Make slight adjustments by dragging left or right to reorder. The dock saves placement automatically. Finish by arranging icons in the order you use them most, dragging any icon out of the dock until a Remove label appears to uninstall shortcuts. If an app refuses to stay, make sure the app is fully installed and you have correct permissions. Sometimes first-run setup must complete before pinning. As a last resort, reset the dock with Terminal using default's Delete COM. Apple, Dock, Kill All Dock. Make sure you understand this resets customizations. If problems persist, restart your Mac and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.